Hello everyone! So, andito kami ngayon sa woods kasi may hinahanap kami. So, actually, wala tayo ditong reception or signal kasi malayo tayo sa kabihasnan. We're doing a real camping. Looks, we are inside the woods. And now we're going to find something, the treasure of this area. Charot. So, yung area na to belongs to the province, like a provincial park. We're not allowed, hindi kami allowed dito magdala ng kung ano-ano na iuuwi mo. Kahit yung pagputol ng kaunting twigs, you are not allowed to do that. So we just have to respect the area, right? So kami lang ni AJ ang pupunta doon kasi yung asawa ko takot sa height. Tapos hindi namin sinama si JC kasi din mahirap na baka magtatakbo-tatakbo. So, yun.
I don't want to get the river.
The river.
Big one. No, that's a pipe that got broken. No. Come on, Mom.
AJ really love hiking in nature. Beautiful. Ay. What? Wait for me. What did you see? What did you see? The tree. Marami dito nagpupunta and ito yung first time namin magpunta dito. Gusto ko talaga yung magkakamping ka, nung nasa kagubatan ka. Pero dito kasi sa atin, nakakatakot kasi minsan may mga ahas. Dito walang ahas. Walang ahas dito sa Newfoundland. Pero yung sa Alberta mayroong ahas, ano lang, yung mga garden snake, yun lang. Pero dito wala. So, yes. Just careful. Does it look like in BC? So small. Hey, not too close. Come here. Come here. Don't go closer. Yeah, let's go.
Oh my God.
Hey, no, don't go there.
On the other side.
Yeah.
The rocks are...
Oh, yeah. Okay. Did you hear that? Thank you. Okay, we have to be careful because there's a cliff here. Cliff.
Cliff? What? There's a cliff.
Yeah.
Where?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the cliff?
Let's go try over there, okay? That's a trail going there.
I want to go to the trail. I want to go back home.
Okay.
People die on the cliff.
So that's a homestay.
There's a bridge over there.
Yeah, there's a
You
bridge.
can go on that bridge if you want.
Okay, let's go.
Careful with the cliff. That's a cliff over there. Yeah.
Me. Hi. Oh my goodness, you sassy fan.
No smokes.
We are here in the suspension bridge. Oh my gosh.
Bring me here. Bring me.
Quiet.
I'm scared.
So people go down there.
I'm going. I'm
Go,
scared of
go,
here.
go. It's just like in BC. Remember when we go there? Oh. Hey, stay here, please.
Scared.
No, stay here.
Bella. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mommy. There's a waterfall.
I guess we don't need to come up there. Come on.
Please, can we go there?
Okay, Mommy will take a picture of you. Okay? Go right there. You stand there. 1, 2. Look at Mom. So, we are here in La Manche. Tingnan nyo naman yung ulo ko. over here, AJ. At ito yung sa kabila, right there. AJ, come here. Look at mom. Okay, don't go there, please. Okay, come over here. Come here. Come here. Come see mommy. Stay close to mommy, please. Or stay back.
What?
Stay back. So, that there. I think someone is. No, don't go there. Come over here. Oh, it's just people do camping here, but they just left their mess over there. So this is the East Coast Trail.